Add a string trimmer to your arsenal and take lawn care to the next level. It keeps hard-to-mow areas, like along your fence line and around flower pots, neat and tidy. There is a learning curve if you never used one. Here's a few things to know before you get started. As always, make sure you have the proper safety gear: glasses, gloves, closed-toes shoes. Learning to replace the trimmer line is crucial. Some trimmers come preloaded out of the box, and some don't. Find out if your model uses single or dual line. Then choose between pre-cut line, pre-wound spool, or spools you wind yourself. Each is different, so follow the package instructions. Keep extra line on hand to avoid a Lowe's run in the middle of a job. How you hold the trimmer matters. Put your right hand near the throttle and your left hand on the assist bar. Keep it at waist level and parallel to the ground. Most trimmer heads spin clockwise, so you want to move from right to left when cutting. The more you use the trimmer, the shorter the line becomes. Some models require the spool head to be bumped on the ground to get more line, and others automatically push out extra line. If you notice your trimmer is not making clean cuts, use scissors to trim the ends of the line to get a sharp cut. String trimmers are powerful enough to throw small rocks and branches, so be sure there aren't any kids or pets nearby. You'll be a string trimmer pro in no time. If you have any questions, our Red Vest associates are happy to help.